Hello guys, welcome to Susie Global Concept YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Greetings from Nigeria. Love you all. Please do wait to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that. So today I'm going to be showing you how to plant palm kernel, palm fruits. How to plant and grow your palm fruit. Palm fruit or palm kernel are grown mostly in the eastern, western and southern parts of Nigeria. South, east, the eastern part of Nigeria and western part of Nigeria. So follow me as I show you how to plant your palm kernel. Palm kernel are used for oil, for making oil, for Banga soup, and so many other things you can use palm kernel to do. Don't mind my son, he's so happy, he's excited. Please watch to the end. I'm going to show you something very important. Thank you. So these are the seed. This is seed, hybrid seed. It has started germinating. Hybrid seed, palm kernel seed. These are the seed that started germinating. And these are packaged hybrid seed, palm kernel seed, hybrid palm kernel seed. So this is how it grows. This is how it's grown. Like this, you transplant it to give spacing because it is too overcrowded. Like this, you buy it or you do it yourself. You grow it yourself. You can't grow it yourself, you go to all these people that sell the seed like this. You buy it like this. You transplant it once you have prepared a land. This is a sample. Somebody bought it, and this is how it is being transplanted. This is how it grows. This is a farm. This is how it grows. Once it has grown, it starts bearing fruit. It has started bearing fruit. See it? It has started bearing fruit. See it? Palm kernel fruit. That's not ripe. See, this one has ripe. It has started ripening. Once it has ripe, you cut it down. You cut down the fruit. See it? Cut it down. Then you separate it. You separate it. There is a machine that separates the seed. You can separate it manually. This is a sample of palm kernel oil refinery. This is the oil, palm oil. Very good for the body. Very good. There's another palm kernel oil from the seed. They use it as pomade. These are drums of oil, palm oil. Drums of palm oil. Once you separate the seed, the fruit, you boil it. After boiling it and it is done, then you smash the fruit to make the oil, to extract the oil. You use enough water. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to make palm fruit soup. Banga soup. Because it's Banga soup. That is South soup. South. Even the east and western part of Nigeria. Banga soup, is a general purpose soup. You can use it to eat anything, for swallow, for rice, for yam, anything. So don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make the Banga soup. Natural Banga soup. See you in my next video. God bless you. Bye. Say bye. Bye. See you. Say see you.